You can use the new parametric filters to create all kinds of colour effects in the Photoshop beta. You can use any image. All you then need to do is go to Filter and Parametric Filters. And then you notice you've got all these parametric filters. Click Distortion. You've got this Properties panel. What you can do, you can modify the resolution. You can put it to Ultra, the highest resolution, but I'm going to keep it medium. You can also change the distance, reduce it down to 0. Likewise, big and small glitches. But the key thing, red intensity, green intensity and blue intensity. Just change those values. And you can see as you do that, you'll get different colour effects. You notice you've got 0.78, 0.57 and 0.35. You can also apply transformations. So down the bottom, transform, you can go to scale. So you can just reduce down, maybe flip the image over. Or go the other way and zoom in. You can also change the offset. You can also rotate the image as well. If you go to the layers panel, you'll notice you've got a smart filter there, parametric filter, so you can modify it at any time. But if you're happy with this image, you can always go to layer and down to flatten image. But you can also now use it again. So go back to the parametric filters and click distortion. With the parametric properties again, you can then change the distance, put it down to 0, and big glitch and small glitch. And again, change the red intensity and green intensity. All kinds of additional colour effects can be created. You can also go to the layers panel and you notice here you've got parametric filter. Just go down here and double click and that will bring up the blending options. And you can go through these, maybe go with lighten or maybe go with difference to create very unusual colour effects. I'm going to go with overlay and click OK. If you're happy with everything again, simply go to layer and flatten image. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Bye.